If Eiffel 65 isn't playing in your head as soon as you see this watch, it should be, as it doesn't get much more blue than this. At this point, I'd usually say something like, in all seriousness. However, the Hublot Spirit of Big Bang Blue Sapphire isn't a watch to be taken seriously. Not entirely, at least. Existing in that realm of being built because it's fun, rather than filling any specific niche in a watch collection. When I look at any watch that Hublot makes out of sapphire and rubber, my mind instantly goes to the iconic Swatch Jellyfish. Obviously, the two are worlds apart in regards to quality, materials, and execution. However, the core principle is the same: to make a translucent watch. Yes, sapphire may be the second hardest material on Earth, short of diamond. But if you're looking for scratch resistance, ceramic, and even coated steel will do the job just fine. Therefore, the only explanation for the use of sapphire in a watch case, especially when tinted in a fun colour, is solely to show off both engineering capabilities and a light-hearted attitude. Being honest with ourselves, watches are often little more than toys for collectors. Picking up a toy, placing it on your wrist, and being able to see through it? Surely that lights up the inner child in a flash, just as intended by the aforementioned Swatch. Where the Spirit of Big Bang Blue Sapphire does get serious, however, is in the manufacturing and the movement. The Hublot HUB 4700 is an exceptional skeletonized chronograph movement, based upon the legendary Zenith El Primero 400. It runs at the high beat 36,000 vibrations per hour, and has a power reserve of 50 hours. It's definitely not the most legible chronograph in the world, with dark blue details struggling to stand out against the blackened metal components and markers. But, as we've already established, this isn't a watch where practicality is a priority. That would be like buying a Pagani Huayra just because it's compatible with Apple CarPlay. Adding to the childlike fun element is the clear sapphire caseback, giving an even better uninterrupted view into the movement from several angles. It's also impressive to see just how small the movement really is, with plenty of room to spare on either side of the 42mm case. So, if you're prepared to spend around 150,000 Australian dollars on a watch just for fun, know that the Hublot Spirit of Big Bang Blue Sapphire is more than ready to meet you with the same attitude.